Harry Roque, mahal na mahal si Digong. Cassandra Ong, nakalaya. What happens when you let the self-absorbed, attention-seeking loudmouth bother?
Happy anniversary on your first year of detention. May you spend the rest of your life in jail. Good night. Goodbye.
Another a part of an international criminal syndicate charged and held in contempt for uncooperativeness in a large-scale non-bailable human trafficking operation for scam hubs and Philippine offshore gaming operations free with not so much as an immigration lookout bulletin order.
Si Cassandra Leong Hubad, under detention pa rin ba siya ngayon, Mr. Chair?
Ngayon po si Cassandra Leong, naka-release po siya. So,
Ayan na nga, nakalaya na raw noon pa si Cassandra Leong katulad ni Harry Roque dahil nang mag-recess at magkaroon ng panibagong slate from the 19th to the 20th Congress. Pinapalaya raw ang mga nakakulong or nako-contempt sa House of Representatives dahil wala raw siyang kaso noon, which is why they let her free. Kahit na she is under investigation. Matatandaan nating sinight in contempt si Cassandra Leong around October last year sa House Quad Committee dahil ayaw sumagot at mag-produce ng mga dokumentong hinihingi ng Quadco.
Now, Ms. Ong, through the chair, most respectfully, kindly justify your refusal to answer that question.
Again po, Mr. Chair, I refuse to answer po or to testify po.
Then, Mr. Chair, I think the witness has chosen not to defend the question. And I believe the proper thing now is for the chairman to rule on the propriety of the invocation of the right against self-incrimination. And from there, I suppose, we would then vote on the contempt. Thank you very much, Mr. Chair. Thank you, Madam Ong.
Thank you, Congressman Gutierrez.
I move that since the congressional facility for detainees is too crowded, I move that Ms. Cassandra Ong will be detained in the Women's Correctional Center. So move, Mr. Chairman.
There is a motion to detain Cassandra Ong at the Women's Correctional Center located at
Mandaluyong.
Mandaluyong. It's a detention facility, Women's Correctional. Duly seconded. Any objections? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Subscribe to the channel kasi wala naman kayong magagawa. Hahainan na sana sila ng warrant of arrest as prescribed by the Angeles City Regional Trial Court para sa mga kasong qualified human trafficking last May this year kasama si dating presidential spokesperson Harry Roque. Kinanselan na rin ang pasaporte ni Cassandra Leong at Harry Roque, effectively making them illegal aliens, which are automatically subject to the immediate deportation unless may specific circumstance that comes to their aid.
Sometimes foreshadowing is relatively obvious.
Now, while the DOJ is now offering a 1 million peso bounty para sa mga impormasyong makakatulong sa paghanap kay fugitive Cassandra Leong, Harry Roque is still in Europe, lavishing dahil meron siyang pending na asylum case sa the Netherlands.
Well, I'm formally announcing that after our meeting today, I'm filing formally for asylum here at the Netherlands. As soon as my application of asylum is received, I do have the rights to non-refoulement. Non-refoulement under international law means, number one, non-deportation until matapos yung investigasyon if I'm entitled to asylum status, and number two, non-prosecution for illegal entry. Pero legal naman ang pagpasok ko dahil meron akong visa. No? Pero naniniwala ako na yung warrant of arrest ng Kamara de Representante ng WAD Committee ay mapapatunay ng unjust prosecution.
Dahil umano sa political persecution dahil sa suporta niya hanggang ngayon kay former President Rodrigo Duterte na nakadeteni ngayon sa The Hague, the Netherlands.
dahil ako talaga ay naging tapat kay Presidente Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Hindi po ako nagsisisi hanggang aking kamatayan. Hindi ako nagsisisi sa pagiging tapat kay Presidente Rodrigo Roa Duterte dahil ako, tumatanaw po ako ng utang na loob. Uulitin ko po muli lahat ng aking ginawa dahil naniniwala ako na si Tatay Digong ang naging pinakamagaling na presidente sa kasaysayan ng Pilipinas. I will not apologize for it. I will not regret it.
Subscribe to the channel kasi wala naman kayong magagawa. However, sinabi ng The Netherlands na hindi nila ipoproseso ang asylum application ni Harry Roque, that he has to go back to Vienna, Austria para matuloy ang proseso ng asylum, and that wala sa kanya ang kanyang pasaporte kundi nasa gobyerno ng The Netherlands when he applied for that asylum.
Yan po yung dahilan kung bakit all of a sudden naalala nila, ay may passport pa si Harry Roque. Hello? 1 year, 2 months na ako, may passport pa ako. Dati niyo pa sinasabing kakansilan yung passport niyo. Hanggang ngayon, di pa nangyayari. Bakit?
Sabi kasi nila na ano po yun nila yung passport. Sabi ko, alam ko yung passport yun po, nandito dahil nag-apply po kayo ng asylum.
Ano kung kansilan nila? Wala naman talaga sa akin passport ko. Usually sa pagkakansila nila ng passport, no? Dahil wala naman sa akin ang aking naka-video ka.
Contrary to the Batas PH reporting na nahuli raw siya sa eroplano, pinigilan lang siya sa eroplano hindi dahil aarestuin siya, kundi dahil mayroong medical reasons that bar him from flying to another country kahit na nasa loob siya ng Schengen area dahil kakatapos lamang niyang magpa-surgery. And so, the doctor banned him from flying kasi, again, kakagaling niya lang sa surgery.
Pero meron palang version na isa pa, na kaya ako pinababa talaga. Meron palang isang mukhang militar na pulis pala, na Pilipino, na maski bago pa ako pumasok ng eroplano, ay picture ng picture. Kaya lang, nung tinanong ako, gusto mo bang lumipad? Siyempre, hindi. Meron akong 2 medical certificate unfit to fly. Kaya lang, akala ko wala akong choice. So, nung tinanong ako, siyempre hindi. Pinababa ako kaagad.
Naisipin natin, bakit siya nag-file ng asylum sa The Netherlands at hindi sa Austria na nagbigay sa kanya ng visa? Hindi niya raw kasi alam ang Dublin regulation which said na kailangan mong mag-apply ng asylum sa either kung saan ka nabigyan ng visa or kung saan ka pumasok sa European Union. Pinapapunta siya sa Austria dahil ayun ang bansang nagbigay sa kanya ng visa, which is why pumunta siya, or at the very least, pinigilan siyang pumunta sa Austria kasi meron siyang heart surgery or something like that. Binigyan siya ng visa ng Austria pero pumasok siya sa The Netherlands. Subscribe to the channel kasi wala naman kayong magagawa. Though it is also, by the way, customary na tatapusin muna yung asylum process ng isang individual before ever acting on any warrant of arrest, even if as requested by the country of origin ng asylum seeker. Kasi the DOI, inatay na lang rin ngayon kung mabibigyan ang hiling ng Pilipinas to put out a red notice kay Harry Roque, given the custom to process the asylum request first before even considering deporting the seeker. Now, ilang linggo na lang bago kailanganing iproseso ng The Netherlands yung asylum application ni Harry Roque. And so, even Harry Roque has said na mas prefer niya na sa The Netherlands, mas malapit kay Digong, na iproseso yung kanyang asylum application.
Pero sa akin naman, while I have accepted that Austria, according to them, should be the one to process the application, I prefer to stay in the Netherlands because of my promise to Tatay Digong na hindi ko naman siya iiwan.
So maybe, aantayin niya na lang yon na matapos that the time will run out kasi nga meron siyang valid na flight restriction, which is nagpa-surgery siya, which meant hindi siya pwedeng lumipad palabas ng The Netherlands. Bakit hindi na lang siya matulad kay Representative Laila de Lima?
Happy anniversary on your first year of detention. May you spend the rest of your life in jail. Good night. Goodbye.
Nung siya ang tunay na pinag-iinitan at kasama sa mga pinapersecute dahil sa kanilang pagiging boses ng oposisyon, hindi siya lumabas ng ating bansa. Hinarap niya ang lahat ng yon kasi alam niya na siya ay inosenteng tao.
I'm not going to leave this country and escape anything because there is nothing to escape from.
May mga nag-a-advise na sa akin, namang well-meaning friends. Mag-isip-isip ka na, Laila, kasi kaka-announce din nga ng Pangulo na ikukulong ka na daw talaga. Maghanap ka na ng asylum. Why should I do that? I want to fight here in my country. Hindi pa ako duwag. Dahil wala pa akong kasalanan. Yung mga nagtatago lamang. At saka yung mga walang mga mga duwag ang umaatras. Hindi po si Laila de Lima. Hindi po ako pinalaki ng tatay ko na maging duwag. Tama na. Hulihin niyo na ako ngayon. Kung yan naman talaga gusto niyo, ikulong niyo na ako ngayon. I'm here. Do what you want to me, Mr. President. I'll wait for you. Thank you.
Ang video clip na ito ay galing sa aking series ng News sa Rika. Check the entire videos for the complete weekly news recap and subscribe to the channel to be kept up to date sa mga local at global news na ang make sure will be interesting to you. Particularly you, whatever your name is. Hindi ko alam, sorry. Salamat sa panonood mga kaparami. Like, subscribe, follow me like sa socials and avoid Joseph that will be linked down below. So, susunod of course. Paalam.